Hello, welcome to WWScenics. My name is Martin, and today is a brand new product launch, Matt Varnish. Let's get into it. Okay, yep, so like I said, brand new product launch. Yeah, okay, so this is WWScenics Matt Varnish. Yeah, okay, in a spray can. Yeah, great for sealing models like got there. If you just painted it, freshly painted. Yeah, it's lovely and dry. Yeah, just to put a varnish over the top of it, especially if we're going to handle it. Yeah, that will stop the fingerprint in time burning through the paint. Yeah, you know what I mean, and you get like a horrible area. Yeah, you know what I mean. Or if it's got weathering, you can seal weathering onto it, that type of thing. Okay, or miniatures. Yeah, that the small little miniature like we got by here. Yeah, okay, right, great for that. Simply a simple thing to do. Yeah, hold it away. And I mean, not close up. Hold it away and just give it a quick squirt around. Yeah, and then you leave it to dry. Okay, so there it is, nice and wet at the moment. When that dries, that'll dry matte. Yeah, and then obviously sealed in as well. I mean, same again on here. If you've got some weathering to be done, yeah, okay, I'll do it. There's an unpainted version. I've only just painted the front. Yeah, but I got a version here though that's already fully painted. Okay, so we just same again. Yeah, from a distance, give it a good seal all the way around, and then let it dry. Yeah, okay. I've sprayed this earlier on. Yeah, okay, and you can clearly see, yeah, nice matte varnish. All right, okay, it'll take about, I don't know, 5 minutes to dry, something like that. Okay, when it's fully dried, yeah, then your product then is protected a little bit. If we're doing weather and powders, always do a test piece. Yeah, okay. Just to make sure that you know, I mean, you like the way that it goes, because obviously you will change the pigment a little bit. Yeah, because the weather and powders are on the side there. Yeah, it might change it a little bit. You know what I mean? Darken it until it's dry. Right, but I always say do a test piece first. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, brand new product come out. Yeah, WWScenics Matt Varnish. Yeah, available on the website right now. Yeah, okay. I'll put a link into the video. Yeah, so yeah, another product from WWScenics. Yeah, UK made as well. Yeah, okay. So until next time, thanks very much. Bye bye.